Hello everyone, welcome to What's on the Bench. I'm not Matt because he has buggered off on holiday, so you are stuck with me, I'm afraid. It's been a while since I've done a What's on the Bench, but we will start off here in the custom shop where I'm all alone. There's nothing over there that you'd want to see. I've got a pretty cool Fender Custom Shop Strat on my body. I think it's a Mary Kay on my bench. I think I said on my body. Can't think. That's just in for a little chip repair. We've got some cool stuff hanging up over here. That's Matt's. That's a raw series descendant that we're doing. You've probably already seen all this. And a cool Kiss bass that's currently having a bunch of gloss lacquer on it at the moment. I've got some other cool repairs. Strat on the wall. I think that's a John Mayer signature Strat. Don't look at that stuff in the cupboard. Oh yeah, that's what's cracking off in here. We'll go take a look at what Harvey's getting up to. Probably the same secret thing that he was doing last week, but we can still go and say hi to him. Harvey! The camera's on. Are you working on secret stuff again?
Yes.
Bear's going to have to edit in some...
A boogly boogly.
So you're...
Come look at some secret stuff and give Bear some more work to do.
This is what Harvey's working on. It is a thing, and it's...
Inside a guitar.
He is drawing some very, very complex stuff.
I did run a cool inlay for Cody earlier.
Did you?
Yeah, so you're going to get that on the camera?
Hopefully.
Yeah, get it, because it was good work. It looked good.
What I've got there, sanding sticks, lots of sanding sticks. It is quite a satisfying thing to look at. Some rows of tools. Will is sanding, always sanding. I'm going to try and get into the cooking, but he's in the zone. I don't know where Aiden is. In some dark corner of the building, probably. No one in the workshop. But it is very busy in the school this week. I think it's Friday, so everyone's probably finishing up at the moment, doing setup bits. I'm probably going to catch them off guard.
No, we are the only place we right join those two up and both side by side.
Don't look at that. It's James. Hello. Take a microphone, please. James is always a busy man, but you are going to have to look at the camera somewhat. What have you been getting up to? Apart from being busy.
Looking at screens and looking at students' thing.
Looking at Matt Dennison, apparently.
Yeah. Don't look at that.
Just stares at. I mean, it's not inaccurate given what you've been working on.
I've got lots of jokes in my head, but they're not good for the video.
You have been looking at Matt's face a lot, haven't you?
Yeah.
Doing stuff.
Yeah.
With his speech.
Yeah, I have. Yeah.
I don't know what we can we say stuff?
Yeah, he mentioned it in this video.
I don't know what he's been doing.
Yeah, we've been building an online school, and Matt's been doing a build and filming it and talking about how he's doing it, and I do the subtitles, which is hard work. Yeah,
some pretty entertaining stuff.
Yeah,
but yeah, so that is ongoing, is it? I think
his Strat course is pretty much semi-complete, I think. It's just me having to have to sift through it all now and quality check it.
There's a lot of footage.
So anything that anyone finds that's not right is my fault, basically. But yeah, you'll see it soon. We're getting there. We're getting there.
I'm slowly getting there. I've been doing another course. Matt's done the Strat.
And
I've been doing
Les Paul.
Or LP time.
But anyway, I've technically moved on from the Strat course, and now we're doing setup courses. So that's what I've started doing now.
So we're doing a mix of helpful setup bits. Anything you could possibly want to learn.
I haven't got a whole lot of interesting stuff to say. I'm really sorry.
It's fun to catch you on video.
Yeah, feel free to ask me funnier questions rather than boring ones.
So sorry.
Next time. Have a think about it for next time. Yeah.
Alright, we're here with Cody. You're on a 6-week custom course.
I am indeed, sir.
I walked over and instantly saw that inlay.
Yeah, Harvey was kind enough to help me out with that. That's a CNC.
It's going to look awesome.
I think so too.
You're going to have lots of fun inlaying that into you.
Yeah, I've got plenty of time to mess up Harvey's nice work by inlaying it very poorly.
Geometric shapes are always tricky.
Sean warned me right away, and I ignored his very good advice, probably.
But you have got ebony, so
This is true.
if you slip, you can just fill it with dust and glue.
Yeah.
No one will ever know.
I hope there's a large pile of ebony dust somewhere.
There will be. There will be. But yeah, no, this looks awesome. Is this your own kind of design?
So this is a design based on a Finnish company called Amphisound.
Okay.
I didn't think they existed anymore, and it looks like they may have come back. But,
Right.
you know, kind of Rhodes V, but with a little bit of some
yeah.
old school design. And then the headstock is a little bit of a custom thing, so that's new.
No,
And
that's awesome. I love it. Yeah, I love the shape.
we're going to slap a low pro Floyd Rose and a single pickup with a single volume knob in there and just heavy metal it out.
Matt loves that.
He helped me with the neck lamb. He was excited to go full metal on it, although he said that 6 strings wasn't enough.
So yeah, you've got a multi-lam neck. What have you got in there? Is it?
I've got just mahogany and maple, and we did a scarf joint on this one because I once tried one at home and failed miserably, so I figured I'd see the way to do it correctly. And then, yeah, StewMac truss rod is in there, which we had to kind of wedge in because the routing template is not for the StewMac one.
Yes. Yeah, there's often a little bit of wiggling about.
I'm causing a little bit of trouble by bringing my own materials and not doing things the traditional way.
No, I mean, it's rules of guitar building are there to be broken.
Well, the evidence is in how many mistakes I have made and then had to clean up. So
But you can clean them up. You can
This is
pretty much
true.
fix anything and make it look like a design feature, not a mistake.
yeah, what would I learn if I got it all right the first time?
Is this your first guitar?
No, I did one other guitar build at the Gallup School in Michigan, but that was about 2 years ago.
Right.
And I built some kit guitars with my dad when I was younger. So this is full guitar number 2, technically.
Nice.
Ambitious project.
Yeah, go big or go home. It's looking fantastic.
Thanks.
What have you got next to do on it, Ben?
After this, they're kind of making a pair. The other one is based on an Explorer, but also has kind of a little hook, almost like where this kind of angle of the Explorer comes out. I'm going to kind of replicate this feature, and I'm going to do 7 strings instead of 6. But that one is a hardtail, hip shot bridge, 7 strings, 2 pickups, classic 3-way blade, 1 tone, 1 volume. A little bit different for each one. The other neck is a single piece instead of the scarf joint, but also same laminate 5-piece neck. So eventually,
Some nice tie-ins with the 2 then.
yeah, we'll see. I got to come up with another inlay for the next one to kind of to tie them all together. But I think we're just going to go like matte black and make them into an interesting heavy metal pair.
Looking forward to seeing it. I'm very interested to see what the inlay comes out like as well.
All right. Well, if you hear me cursing, you'll know what's wrong.
Awesome, good stuff.
Yeah. Thanks.
So are we rolling now?
Yeah.
We are.
All right. Get me from my good side.
You're a new 3-month student.
I'm a 3-month student, yes, because I'm unemployed and homeless, so I needed somewhere to go.
Build guitars?
So I came here to build guitars, and I live under the bench. And amazingly, I'm still late here every morning. So I've made a bass neck.
It looks great.
That's what you've got here. Still haven't decided what to do with it. I might build a body to go with it.
Maybe.
Never mind this. That's just a bit of scrap wood. Yeah. So never mind that. And I've put ring inlays, as you can see.
Yeah.
And rings, if you're not familiar with rings, they are basically just hollowed out discs.
So I also did a 3-month course, same as you.
Oh, yeah.
And this is
When did you do your 3-month course?
going on 4 years ago now.
4 years ago. Okay. And then you just...
Yeah.
Oh,
And I just merged. I just hid in the building for a bit, and then.
Oh, yeah. Then you just. Okay. I'm sorry. I don't know if this is part of the what's on the bench, because now it feels like I'm interviewing you as well.
It looks awesome. So you've got the blank roughed out.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, obviously you can have. Yeah. So.
I love the shape.
Yeah. So what you've got here is something that looks original but actually isn't, because it's based on a Fender Meteora.
And also,
yeah, awesome shape. But what I have done is that I've sort of adjusted a little bit, so a bit more offset than a Fender Meteora would be. And obviously I've added the horn here.
Yep, sure.
Not sure. This is my first ever build, by the way,
It is.
what you're seeing here. So I've never built anything from scratch.
So you've just been getting to grips with all the...
Yeah, yeah.
You haven't lost
absolutely.
Yet, which is always a bonus.
Lost a bit of blood, as you can see here on the neck.
Is it?
Yeah. So what you've got here is get a good look of that.
Stain job.
Does it become? Is this? Well, how about? Because we have kids watching this, right? So can we show them blood stains?
Stain. It's
Yeah.
red wine.
So this is just the crimson stunning stain
Yep.
that you've got here.
It's for
on the
vibing.
side. Yeah, exactly. That's what it looks like.
Fantastic. So you're getting a neck carve next?
Oh yeah. I think that would be a bit more comfortable to play than.
Yeah, well, also, you never know. Some people like.
Oh yeah. Fair enough.
Awesome. Well, I look forward to seeing how it
Yeah.
goes along. I really do like that shape. It's gonna.
Yeah.
I think it will look fantastic.
I hope so.
Good stuff. Well, we'll leave you to it.
Yeah.
Next
Thank you. Thank you, German. See you next week.
Mike,
Hi.
you're on a 5-day course.
Yeah, 5 days of an intense, it's more like a physical workout than anything else.
It is, yes.
Physical and mental, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, I can agree with you there. But you've
It's
finished
finished.
the bass.
It's finished, yes. It's
looks fantastic.
obviously a copy of a Fender Precision bass,
Yeah.
but it's a medium scale neck. I've cut the neck down from 34 to
yes.
32, partly because I can't reach my arms out.
Yeah, that's fair. That's
Too
fair.
old.
Ash body.
Maple neck,
Maple neck.
ebony fretboard, and black hardware.
It looks great. No,
All I need it to do now is to come up with something to put on the headstock, like the name of the guitar. which-
sure. Yeah. No, it's a weird thing like headstock logos. When they don't have them, it kind of looks like something's
It
missing.
looks empty, doesn't
Yeah.
it? Yes,
No,
it does look a bit blank. Get my children onto it, both of whom are pretty good graphic artists. So
Nice.
they'll create me a logo to put on the front.
Sure. No, awesome. It looks great. I was listening to you playing it earlier.
Oh, it sounds nice. It sounds nice. It sounds lovely. Yeah, it's been bloody hard work, but I mean the guys are fantastic here. So
And you've learned new skills as well?
I have learned an awful lot.
Yeah. Had you ever done anything like this before?
I've never made a guitar before. No, electronics not a problem. That is something I do a lot of, but the actual carpentry,
Yeah, sure.
cutting it all out, the precision.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
not me precision. Not usually.
No, awesome. Well, it looks fantastic. I love the burst on it as well. It's a beautiful thing, and you've got it all set up, playing out.
It's all set up. It's all finished. Yeah, I'm ready to go. All I need to do is get home and try it out.
Give it a good old play. Lovely stuff. Well, we'll leave you to it. Have a good play with it.
Well, it's nice to meet you guys. Thanks.
Awesome. Cheers. We've got another mic. Also on a 5-day course.
Yeah. I came with the other mic.
And you're doing a...
I'm doing a Telecaster type thing. I've not got a Telecaster, and I thought I'd like to have one, and it seemed like a good opportunity to make it, because
Absolutely.
he got the course as a birthday present. I thought, well, I'll come with you. And,
No, it's always a good one to start with a Telly as well. It's
yeah, well, that's what I thought. And in 5 days, I mean, it's fairly phenomenal.
absolutely, yeah. No, a
The
lot of
bits of
people are
wood we
shocked,
came
yeah.
with.
I mean, yeah, you literally start with...
Yeah, no, there's a couple of planks on the table on Monday, and there it is now. It's fantastic.
Yeah, so you're
it's,
you're just doing the final kind of setup bits. You're cutting it.
Well, yeah, I'm cutting my nuts.
Dom said
yeah.
you were sanding it nuts earlier.
Not sure which was more painful. Yeah, I've made plenty of mistakes along the way, but Dom and Jamie and everyone. Yeah, I mean, they've been fantastic. Because I mean, and I'll go away and say, look what I've made. Whereas, actually, I've done bits and pieces, but I've had quite a lot of help on the way.
No, I mean, yeah, you've
So it's
fantastic looking guitar. Similar kind of burst to... Well,
yeah. No, that's right. Yeah, well, I just kind of go with a satin finish, but
absolutely.
this is great because the wood's lovely and it's beautiful. And particularly Mike's one. I mean, it's got that sort of startling
the stage
range,
bring
but-
it out as well.
Yeah. No, it's really
It all
good.
suddenly pops when you got finished.
Yeah, and I really love the ebony fretboard as well, which
It's-
I've not had
yeah.
before, but
It's a lovely.
it's
ebony as well.
really lovely.
Fantastic.
And Yeah, and then you see, you look at the neck. You see, I just can't get over the neck. And though it was a plank, plank, and you scrape away, and that's.
Was that one of her most? Usually, people find that one of her most enjoyable.
Yeah, absolutely. That's I did. I found that
really satisfying.
It was just sort of scraping away, and gradually the shape emerges. It was
Takes shape. Yes,
absolutely fantastic. Yeah.
Fantastic. Well, I'll leave you to it because I know you.
Cheers. Yeah. I've got some more nuts to cut, but.
Well, best of luck.
Cheers.
Yeah, glad you've enjoyed it.
Good. No, it's been great. Fantastic. Thank you.
Tell us what it is.
I made a little baby telly.
You made a baby.
Yeah.
It's very cute.
Isn't it nice?
Cute. I'm not quite sure how I feel about the colour combination, but it's cute.
Well, I wanted to make it a little bit, interesting to children.
So what is it? Is 23 inch?
23-inch scale.
Yeah. So very short.
It's not that short. I mean, you can buy like child-sized guitars.
Yeah.
For quite cheap.
But it.
With I think usually like 20 to 22 maybe.
Yeah. That.
But they tend to be quite. Sorry, yeah. I mean like. Well, for what you'd expect to get for like 150 quid, I guess. But I do like the fact you've scaled down the body. The proportions look right. Yeah.
There's a lot of like short scale.
It does look quite long though, with the 23-inch scale length. But I want to do 23 because I thought you get a better string tension out of it.
Yeah.
And also a little bit of longevity. I mean, an adult could play this. It should last for quite a few years if it was a starter guitar, but also I just wanted it to be decent quality.
Yeah, a little travel guitar as well.
Yeah.
It's kind of that kind of size. You could just lob it in your backpack.
Yeah. Yeah. But I kind of just did it as a test to sort of see if it would work, but I really want to keep it. It's really nice. I really enjoy playing it. It's lush. I might make another one.
Yeah, do it.
I might do a baby jazz master or a jazz Padawan. All right. Wasn't a joke. I'm being serious. We should make more baby guitars.
Make more babies.
No, guitars. No more babies.
See you next week.
Yeah, cool.
What's in the bench? What to talk about? Life. What's the meaning of it all, Tommy? Do I feel anything? I don't know. This is gripping content, I'm sure.
Yeah. Which isn't here, by the way. That's my left side, is my good side. But that's fine. Just do what you're. I'm just joking. Yeah.
So, is it your? You got to run back. Oh no! Oh, I've messed it up.